Hi folks, it's time to draw a resume and to talk about how the channel will evolve. From an insider tip to a popular electronics channel, everything seems possible. And there will be some interesting facts on the community. In which regions are my viewers? What age groups and genders are represented? Which devices are used? How is the channel developing in numbers? I analyzed my YouTube statistics a bit. My viewers are coming from almost all around the world, which is really good news. The green regions on the cycling globe indicate this. In case you live in one of the blue regions, then I would be particularly happy about your greetings in the comments. By the way, a number of comments are telling me that the content of the videos and the tools are exemplary. Thanks a lot for the great feedback. That really motivates me. It was my first goal to offer interesting content for electronic fans in the whole world. Apparently, we are achieving this with Electronics Unmasked. We have been publishing on YouTube for about a year now. Currently, you can already find more than 70 videos and a few short videos on the channel. The number of our subscribers is still small. Of course, we would wish for a lot more. Maybe you can recommend the channel to friends that are interested in the topics. The channel has about 6,000 views so far, and it's getting more every day. Practically all age groups are watching my videos. Not surprisingly for a tech channel, only few women watch the videos. Guys, we need more women in engineering. What really surprises me is that there are so many different devices and operating systems with which my videos are viewed. The list is headed by smartphones with Android and iOS. But then you can really find everything. Windows, macOS, Linux, Smart TV, WebOS, Roku OS, PlayStation, Chrome OS, Xbox, Chromecast and Nintendo. Cool! My followers' feedback has motivated me to further develop my tools and to create more videos on certain subjects. By the way, the tools are running on Excel as well as on freeware spreadsheet tools like LibreOffice. I sorted the videos under 10 playlists: Arduino, antennas and wave propagation, engineering methods, sustainable energy, DIY ideas and interesting physical laws are the topics so far. I didn't jump on any kind of hype. That could only happen in one of my comedy episodes, which I then mark as such. Instead, I tried to deliver sustainable knowledge, and I'm happy that some of my videos are clicked again and again, even after months. It seems to pay off that I put a lot of substance into the videos. The most satisfying feedback for me is when someone tells me, "I understood that now," or even better, "I can use the method myself now." What's coming next? There won't be dubious sensational reports or charismatic busybody speeches that are not worth listening eventually. I don't offer solutions within 2 seconds in my videos because I think it's really important to give solid evidence for what I'm telling you. In return, I promise that followers watching the videos can take something away. And there is only one exception. Don't expect too much substance in my comedy episodes where I make fun of people who make other people's life difficult. Excessive bureaucracy or undeserved pride are inspiring me in particular for snappy fun. By the way, regarding the episode Waiting for Dr. No Mess, I got feedback that somebody actually had similar incredible experiences. That's remarkable, isn't it? I actually thought that the story is already pretty snappy and exaggerated. Now let's get to the important content. Other than comedy, I have pursued technical topics on which I have had good feedback from my friends. I will of course continue to do so. And this is how, for example, the Excel tools for photovoltaics and thermal insulation were created. All tools will be still available as free downloads in the near future. And I will continue to present interesting methods. And of course, there will be more about antennas and wave propagation, possibly also further DIY ideas. And then I want to pick up new interesting topics like AI, for example. There is already a first video about it on the channel. And here I'm trying to deliver something more than, hey, I've tried ChatGPT and wow, it's all so great. Since I have supervised a number of students, I can imagine sharing some information about studying, doing a doctorate, or about the professional life of an engineer on this channel. You know, things you cannot learn at the college or the university. Maybe we will also talk about what technicians should know about business. Your comments are always more than welcome. In any case, the next step is upscaling the number of subscribers and the view time in order to secure the existence of the channel. Maybe you can help a little with that. Now stay tuned and don't forget to support the channel. See you soon in the coming episodes.